Now I want to add a background. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the rectangle tool, and I'm going to click rectangle, and I'm going to draw one rectangle here in about the center. There we go. So when you just draw it, it doesn't fill with the color first, right? So I'm going to go to fill, and here you can put in different colors. You could select which one you want, or you could select on this menu here and you can adjust what kind of color you want. So obviously I want kind of like a red. So I'm going to go to like maybe this point right here. So now, as you can see, we got the red that we want. However, it's covering our object. So you want to make sure when you go to the layer here that says rectangle 1, which we're going to name red, it is beneath the apple layer. So now the apple is appearing above the background. So same thing with the rectangle layer for the pepper. So we're going to draw it real quick. It's not letting me want to draw. I'm going to start down here. So you're just dragging your mouse over the object, and now it's filling with that yellow color again. So with that red color again. So we're going to change it to yellow, maybe like a orangish kind of yellow. This is why I personally like to use this color menu or this color picker, because it allows you to really play around with color. So this is looking good now. We got our two backgrounds, we got our subjects. We just maybe need to adjust this a little bit, so you can just bring that down just so you don't see the white at the bottom. Nice, nice, nice. I'm going to double click rectangle 1, name it yellow. So you see how all of my layers now are nicely named. I can't press caps for some reason. Nicely named red, yellow, apple, pepper, and we can see where everything is, and it's easy to access, right? So I'm going to move it just to make little adjustments here, kind of center off the apple, center off the pepper. Perfect. Okay, so now we got our two subjects, the apple and the pepper, in the place that I want them, just as I sketched it out, and I showed you guys how I sketched that out. And we have the backgrounds. So next,